To write an equation in slope-intercept form, we're going to use the y equals mx plus b. And what we're doing is we're trying to find the m and we're trying to find the b. M being the slope and the b is the y-intercept. We're going to put them into that equation. So it says write an equation, so I'm going to go y equals, and do we know slope? And in this problem it says the slope is 3/4. So I'm going to put the 3/4 for the m, x, and then it says the intercept is a -2, so I'm going to put a -2. So there's my equation. Now what I want to be able to do is graph it. To graph it, we're going to start on that number. So we're going to go to -2, put a dot. And then the slope means my rise over my run. So I'm going to go up 3 and to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put another dot. So I'm going up 3 and to the right. That's my second dot. The two dots create the graph. And there's my line. So now we have an equation that's not in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to get the y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. And so I have 2y equals a -3x plus 6. And then I'm going to divide everything by 2, which then gives us our -3x plus 3. So there's my slope-intercept form equation. I'm going to start on the 3 for graphing, but now I have a -3, so I'm going to go down 3 and to the right 2 and put my next dot. The two dots create my graph. Notice with the negative slope, we have a line going down. Probably the most difficult graphing equation is when we just have one letter. And so in this case, we have y equals a -3. We have no slope. We just have to have a -3. So we go to the y on a -3. Because we have no slope there, this is just a horizontal line. A what-if question is, what if we had x equals 2? So in blue, if we were to go to the 2 line and put a dot right there, this would be a vertical line on this. So we have a horizontal line for the red, and we have a vertical line for the blue.